Welcome to another installment of Loyal and Save training. In this session, we'll be covering how to create the auto-trigger sign-up coupon. The sign-up coupon is a reward given to customers when they sign up for Loyal and Save. This coupon typically offers a discount or a special offer that encourages new customers to make their first purchase. The sign-up coupon serves as a welcoming gesture for new customers, providing an immediate benefit for joining Loyal and Save. From the drop-down menu, select the trigger type Auto Trigger. From the Reward Type drop-down menu, select Sign Up Coupon. In the Name field, here you will enter in the name of the campaign that will be visible both on the app and web portal. Sign up for Loyal and Save to earn a digital coupon for 5% off a single item on your next purchase. In the Description field, you will enter in the details of the campaign that will be visible to the customer on the app and web portal. To access your digital coupon after in-store sign-up, download our app, log in online, or redeem in-store at the register. This coupon cannot be redeemed for cigarettes, lottery, or chewing tobacco products. The last line is a disclaimer. As a retailer, you have full control of what you would like this coupon to be used for. You may enter in a whitelist or a category blacklist. In this case, this coupon can be used on all items in the store with the exception of tobacco products or lottery. To set a blacklist, from the drop-down, select Blacklist Department or Category, click on Manage, search for the category you wish to blacklist, then click on Apply. Next, let's take a look at the Coupon tab. In the Coupon Name field, enter in the name of the coupon that will be visible to the customer after they have earned the coupon. Sign up for Loyal and Save and get a 5% off a single item on your next purchase. Under the coupon type, you have three options in the drop-down: percentage off, dollar off, or free item. In this example, we'll be selecting percentage off. Our coupon value will be set to 5. In our header lines, this appears on the coupon. It pays to be loyal. You have an additional 3 header lines that can be added. But in this case, we're just going to enter in 1. For your text lines, these are the description of the coupon. You have up to 5 text lines. In our example, you've earned a digital coupon for 5% off on a single item on your next purchase. Please be advised that these items you have up to 24 characters for each line. Expiration type. Here you can set the expiration of the coupon to never expire, a static date, or days after issue. When selecting days after issue, enter in the number of days the coupon will be valid. Once per sale. This sets how many coupons can be used in a single transaction. If the customer has more than 1 coupon, you can set this to no, proceed with unlimited. From here, you can limit how many coupons can be used in a single transaction. Expiration notification. If your expiration type is set to static date or days after issue, we recommend having the expiration notification set to on. This will send a notification to your customer 10 days before the coupon expires. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.